Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a extremely nice piece. So this is going to be a 2023 Bobcat E42 R2 series rubber track excavator. This unit has 29.5 hours, so 29 and a half hours. Yes, it's legit. Yes, there's nothing wrong with it. There'll be a slew of questions. The truth behind this machine is a private operator, a private guy with some acreage bought this and a new rubber track skid loader. Something changed in his life, deemed him to have to sell these two pieces. I ended up with the excavator. The rubber track skid loader is coming here in a couple weeks. Paid for free and clear. I own this machine. There's no loan against it. It is a new unit. When he purchased this unit, it was purchased on 7/6 of 2023, and he purchased with it a full extended bumper-to-bumper warranty that is valid through 7/6 of 2028, which is going to follow the whole machine. It also has emissions warranty until 7/6 of 2028. We will take care of getting that transferred for you. Very unique machine in a way. It is an open station machine, but it has the Deluxe Dash in it, has AM/FM radio kit in it. It is a long arm. Bobcat hydraulic clamp is on it, or thumb as I call it. 24-inch severe duty bucket. Again, 29 and a half hour machine. There's not a lot you have to say when something is like this. And there is a heck of a savings on this machine. So let's walk you around here, start you back in the engine compartment, take you completely around this machine. So under the hood, this is going to be powered by a Bobcat 3-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This should be, in these units, should be the 1.8 liter, and it is. It's a 1.8. It's a D18 3-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Obviously, unit is like new. Starts, runs, and works 100%. Under this panel, you're going to have your fuse panel, your ECM, battery here, control valve, hydraulic filters are here, your cooling package. There's a little toolbox right here. You can lay a hammer in here for different things, for like some teeth and pins. Grease gun holder is there. We'll walk you over here to this side again. Again, powered by a Bobcat D18 1.8 liter 3-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Everything is nice, easy to get to. You can see that its PDI was done 7/6 of 23, so that's its retail date. Again, new machine here, okay? 29 and a half hours. We'll go ahead, close up these side panels. You're latched. There is one scuff right there on a decal, and one little scuff there on the counterweight. Tracks are 100%, same as new. Marks are in the tops of them. Obviously, the undercarriage is the same. There's not a lot to go over there. Does have the LED lights in the car body and up here on the boom. You can see all the original paint is still on the push blade. Factory Bobcat clamp is on it, hydraulic thumb. Bobcat single pin exchange, class 4 bucket, 24-inch. This has a nice splitter valve out here that Bobcat started putting on their machines. So what's nice about this machine now, we can go ahead, we can flip this the other way. It's going to lock our thumb up in place. We want to put a vibra plate on, you want to put an auger on, you can do that then from this valve bank here and not have to unhook your hoses like you used to have to on the series before the R2, which was up here. They did make a series that was double plumbed. Since then, they've went to this. This has a lug out here for putting a shackle for lifting. Again, it is a long arm machine. We're going to take you up here in the cab. Again, it is a 2023 year model machine. Machine's going to weigh right around 9,800 pounds. It's a 10,000 pound class machine. In underneath here, book and manuals in the dash or underneath here. You have your pattern changer. You're going to have your deluxe seat here. You're going to have a port here for an MP3. You have your Jensen heavy duty radio kit that Bobcat puts in these. Cup holder. We're going to go ahead, fire this thing up. Now, 29.7 hours. Show you here some stuff. Touchscreen. We're operating at peak performance. You can Bluetooth this to your phone. Radio, which works. I don't hold the rights to the music, but I'm going to go ahead and turn that down. Service records. You have everything in here you can go in through and adjust. It has a very, very nice screen. Here's going to be for different attachments that you may make with it. Settings, you can go in here, change a lot of different stuff. Auto idle, how many seconds, eco mode, pressure release for auxiliaries is in here. We'll take you back to the home screen. So remember, anytime you're in something and you want to go back to the home screen, just push that home button. It's going to take you back to that main screen. Down here's going to be your headlights. You got your auxiliary button there. Up here's going to be your 2-speed button, which is going to operate with your travel whenever you have your dead man down here. You're going to see there it's going to come up. Throttle, alarm cancel, blade control. It is currently set on Caterpillar control. This is going to work here with your swing boom out in the front, and then this is going to work your hydraulic clamp. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and turn this back over to Ben. We're going to fire the machine up. I'm going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Okay, here we go.
Your marker over there. We're gonna do
Does have travel alarm. There's your 2-speed. Now, one thing I'm going to do here right quick, just to show you can see machine pulls under its own power. There again, 29 and a half hours. It's actually 29.7 right now, so it will be a 30-hour machine until someone purchases it. We will be setting here on our lot for sale. Now, this does have a nice set of flip downs here. We can go ahead and hit. So your E42 is kind of a class size of machine. It's right before you're going to get into a machine where you're over CDL. It's just kind of that sweet spot machine for transporting. You got a lot of nice reach. You have a nice weight class size machine here to do work with, okay? You know, E35, E42, extremely popular size machine, also an E50. As soon as you break that size, you get into a totally just different class of hauling and handling. So a lot of guys tend to gravitate towards this size of machine for that reason, okay? Very good reach with this machine, you can see that. What's nice on these machines, everything's right there at your fingertips. You're not having to reach over, full with a foot pedal, anything like that. It's all right here, which is nice. All of the shipping labels are still on this machine, up here on the boom, on the stick. Everything is there. Guys, stuff like this, it's a no-brainer for me to buy because it's something that it carries a full warranty. There's a massive savings here for somebody to buy this machine compared to a new one. Again, it's got 29.8 hours on it now, but you can see factory Bobcat clamp, factory Bobcat bucket, Deluxe Dash panel, just a nice setup. It does have the radio in it, and I do get it, guys. It's not cab heat air. I 100% understand that. I know I bought it, but there's still a guy out there that will buy this machine. especially on his property. He is doing what he needs to get done. Maybe he doesn't want cab heat air, and we do have that clientele. No oil leaks, obviously. With a brand new machine, there shouldn't be. So, but like I said, you're a massive savings compared to a new machine. And I get that warrants it to a cash buyer, and that's fine. We do have financing available on the used equipment side. You need trucking, let us know there. I'd be glad to help you. The price we put on this machine is going to be very, very, very firm. And it's because it's something I am putting out there to make a little bit and keep moving on with life. I'm not a greedy guy. I'm not a collector. There's guys that will set prices on stuff that are just totally, totally unrealistic. I'm going to set this to be extremely, extremely fair, and will sell very quick. The truth is, you'll be able to buy this machine cheaper with an open station than you will one with 1,000 hours with cab heat air. So that's the thing when somebody's looking, that's what they're going to have to come to that realization of what they're doing. So there again, we will transfer this warranty. We'll let the auto idle kick in here. It takes a second. It's actually set on a 5-second delay. Bump the pilot right back up, and then you will hear that machine ramp back up and right back into it. So, guys, there it is. 2023 Bobcat E42 R2, open station, Deluxe Dash, 2-speed travel, long arm, hydraulic clamp, diverter valve out here. Lights will kick off. Boom guard is excellent. 29-hour machine, like brand new, under full factory warranty, and has extended transferable warranty again until 7/6 of 2028. I will take care of that when someone purchases it. We'll have that set up and taken care of and going right on to the next customer. I'll pay the bill, and that's $100, big deal. We will do that for the customer. Guarantee the machine to be 110%. Again, price on this is going to be very firm, and it's going to be a very affordable price for what this is. So if you guys have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Understand that is a 10,000-pound class machine, a lot bigger machine than your E35. That thing will do a lot of work. Again, any questions, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.